A video has been circulating online, claiming to show the interstellar comet 3I Atlas drifting through space. Many viewers believed it. The clip's glowing movement looked otherworldly, almost poetic. But something about it didn't quite match real astronomical data. So what's actually going on here? Is this truly the first close-up of an interstellar visitor passing through our solar system? Or a case of mistaken identity that spread too far, too fast? In this video, we'll uncover what the footage really shows, how experts traced its origins, and what astronomers have actually discovered about 3I Atlas. Let's find out. The story began on October 27th, 2025, when a short video was posted on X, formerly Twitter, with the caption, "New 3I Atlas footage just dropped." The clip showed what looked like a glowing object moving slowly through dark space, fluid, organic, and strangely mesmerizing. Within hours, it had gone viral, amassing thousands of shares. AI-generated image summaries even began labeling it as the Interstellar Comet 3I Atlas, reinforcing the false claim. But astronomers quickly grew skeptical. The video lacked all the telltale signs of real space footage. No stars in the background, no consistent lighting, no visible coma or tail. Real telescope images of comets always show noise, scattered light, and faint trails caused by long exposures. This looked nothing like that. Fact-checkers from LED Stories began investigating. Using reverse image search and metadata tools, they found no record of the clip in any astronomical databases, no connection to NASA, ESA, or observatories currently tracking 3I Atlas. To identify the source, they consulted Professor Jack Gilbert, a microbiologist at the Scripps Institution of Oceanography. His response settled the mystery. That's a paramecium, a freshwater single-celled organism. Under a microscope, a paramecium propels itself by moving thousands of tiny cilia, creating graceful, wave-like patterns. Filmed under the right lighting, these movements can look ethereal, even cosmic. When such a clip is cropped and darkened, it can easily be mistaken for something vast and distant. What began as a small, likely educational biology video was stripped of its context and shared as space footage. The result, a microscopic organism became a supposed interstellar comet. While the viral clip captivated millions, it came from a drop of water, not deep space. A perfect reminder of how easily digital content can mislead when detached from its source. Ironically, the real 3I Atlas doesn't need viral clips to be fascinating. It's already one of the most significant cosmic discoveries in recent years. Detected on July 1st, 2025, by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System in Hawaii, it became only the third confirmed interstellar object ever observed. After Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I/Borisov in 2019. Its high velocity and open, hyperbolic orbit confirmed that it originated beyond our solar system and would never return. For astronomers, 3I Atlas is a natural messenger from another star system. It likely formed around a distant sun billions of years ago and was ejected during that system's early evolution. Now, it offers scientists a glimpse of material that predates our own planets. Observations by Norlab's Gemini South Telescope and the European Southern Observatory revealed a faint tail and gaseous coma, typical of comets as they heat up near sunlight. But 3I Atlas stood out chemically. Spectroscopic studies found different ratios of carbon monoxide and water ice, suggesting it originated in a much colder environment than our solar system's early nebula. Every interstellar object gives researchers a new window into planetary formation beyond the sun's reach. Comparing their compositions helps identify how other systems differ from ours, from their ices to their organic molecules. Yet, the viral video overshadowed that genuine progress. While it had no link to the comet, It illustrated a striking coincidence: patterns that repeat across vastly different scales. The fluid, rippling motion of a paramecium under a microscope mirrors, in a purely visual sense, the dynamics of dust and plasma in a comet's tail. Both obey principles of fluid motion and light scattering, though in entirely different physical contexts. That superficial resemblance reminds us that the natural world operates on recurring patterns, but also that science relies on evidence, not appearances. Real discoveries are built on reproducible data, careful observation, and peer review, not anonymous clips shared for clicks. The real beauty of 3I Atlas isn't in how it looks. It's in what it tells us about where we came from and what lies beyond. This case isn't just about a mislabeled video. It highlights a much larger issue: how misinformation spreads faster than verification in the age of social media. Online platforms reward engagement and novelty, not accuracy. That's why content like this thrives. A short, mysterious video paired with a bold claim can travel the world long before experts even see it. Even AI systems designed to summarize information sometimes repeat false captions, amplifying the misinformation. This is where fact-checking and scientific transparency become essential. Organizations like Lead Stories, Reuters Fact Check, and space agencies such as NASA, ESA, and NOIRLAB now play a key role in preserving the integrity of science communication. Whenever genuine astronomical discoveries occur, they publish the images, spectra, and orbital data publicly, so anyone can verify what's real. For enthusiasts, it's a simple habit that protects curiosity. Always trace a claim back to its source. If a video doesn't come from a known observatory or mission, it's worth pausing before hitting share. On the scientific front, the Real 3I Atlas continues its journey through the solar system. Over the coming months, it will be studied by the Vera Rubin Observatory and NASA's SPHEREX mission, which will capture detailed data on its brightness and composition. These instruments could confirm whether it behaves more like a classic comet or a rocky interstellar fragment, a question still under investigation. Within the next decade, astronomers expect to detect dozens more interstellar visitors. Together, they'll form the foundation for a new research field: interstellar planetology, the study of materials born in other star systems. The viral video may have been a brief distraction, but the Real 3I Atlas is an enduring opportunity to understand the cosmos, quietly drifting, real, and far more extraordinary than fiction. The viral 3I Atlas video wasn't from space. It was a microscopic organism misidentified as a comet. The Real 3I Atlas is still out there, silently crossing our solar system. It's a reminder that curiosity drives discovery, but truth defines it.